10 million in counterfeit money seized by St. Andrew police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrew police on the weekend prevented a massive illegal transaction amounting to millions of dollars. 4 men, including an employee of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, were taken into custody in connection with the counterfeit money valued at more than 10 million Jamaican dollars. Police sources have stated that minutes after 10 Saturday night, police intercepted a vehicle in the vicinity of Duane Park Police Station. A search of the vehicle was conducted and the fake money discovered. Head of the division, Superintendent Kirk Ricketts, told reporters that the team of men were about to purchase a motorbike.
Money was found to be counterfeit, amounting to $80,500 in US dollars counterfeit and $102,500 in Jamaican dollars counterfeit. So far, we have been made to understand that this was a transaction between a group of men who traveled from St. Thomas to purchase a motorbike here in the corporate area. And the police so happened upon the transaction at the time. 4 persons are currently in custody and will be interviewed by a senior investigator and are likely to be charged for this discovery. My brief is that one of the 4 persons is an employee of the fire services, the Jamaica Fire Brigade. They could visit the Hunts Bay Police CIB, and we would be happy to have a discussion with them to see if any of the items that were recovered are owned by them. They would have to be able to identify the items for us to move the process.
The vehicle in which the men were traveling was reportedly seized by the police. Meanwhile, Superintendent Mr. Rickett is again encouraging citizens who have been victims of robbery in recent months to visit the Hunts Bay Criminal Investigation Branch. This following the recovery of 200 stolen cell phones and other items by the police last Thursday. Senior Superintendent Kirk Ricketts, head of the St. Andrew Police Division, stated that the items were found during a stop raid at an apartment complex in Tavares Gardens, Painland community of St. Andrew. The SSP stated that the culprit, who was accosted on the initial charge of unlawful possession of property, appeared before the court and was remanded in custody. Reports are that between 2 and 4:30 p.m., the St. Andrew Police Investigating Unit acted on information about a robbery of a phone. The phone was tracked to an address in the community. A search of the apartment found over 200 cell phones, including an iPhone, 9 laptops, 11 tablets, and 6 flat-screen television. Several bank cards and lead sheets used for scamming were also seized during the operation. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.